Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the Daily Data Drop number 10. So today we're talking about Edge AI and Neuromorphic Computing, new practices in the tech world. Starting with the least creepy concept, Edge AI is likely something you've already encountered, especially if you have a smartwatch, smart fridge, or autonomous vehicle. Edge AI is the deployment of AI models way closer to where the data is being generated, or locally. For example, in smartphones, sensors, autonomous vehicles, and home assistants. And these models have no reliance on cloud computing, which means that you're able to run the machine learning model offline and with very low latency. A lot of times, when new machine learning models are released on GitHub or on Hugging Face, the preferred and only deployment method is to download it to run it locally on your device. Unfortunately, for most models, this does require having the processing power to run it, meaning you'll need a computer with a GPU powerful enough to actually download and run the program. However, there are models like Google's Gemma 3N, which is actually capable of running on most smartphones, and it takes very little battery power to do so. During one test, Gemma only used around 0.75% of a Pixel 9 Pro's battery life for 25 conversations. So that's what Edge AI is. Now, what is neuromorphic computing? Well, it's when a computer hardware and software is inspired by the human brain's design or function. It typically involves creating artificial neurons and synapses to process information in a way that mimics biological methods. Unlike traditional computers, which have separate processing and memory units, neuromorphic systems integrate memory and computation very close for fast, parallel, and adaptive processing. And the way this relates is that Edge AI is actually crucial for neuromorphic computing, and these two technologies go hand in hand. So, neuromorphic computing has very low power consumption and high speed processing, which makes it very ideal for Edge AI deployments. The speed is useful for things like autonomous vehicles and AI powered robots, where real time, fast responses are necessary. If you have a self driving car, you need it to stop the second it sees someone it's about to hit. You don't need it to see someone it's about to hit and then process it for even 10 seconds. And the low power consumption of neuromorphic computing makes it extremely useful for AI embedded devices like a drone or a smartwatch or a phone, where efficient battery usage is either highly desired or crucial. The usefulness of neuromorphic computing is blatant, and that explains its current 8.3 billion market value at this moment. Anyway, that's it for today's Daily Data Drop. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Definitely be sure to like and subscribe if you want more content like this, and hit the bell notification so you'll know when I drop the next. That's it for today. See you later.